Hello, everyone, and welcome to this audio podcast. This audio podcast is part of Globular Global. This audio podcast is part of a Lunar Insurgence. This audio podcast is part of a Sickle Cell Anaemia, and this audio podcast as part of a Storm Robotics production. In this audio podcast, a little bit around sort of guidelines and frameworks, around some guidelines and frameworks. Although our RBTs or red blood cell transfusion in the United Kingdom is safe, ensuring an effective blood supply has been vital, and this requires a combination of high quality donor recruitment and selection, infection screening, serological testing, and blood component production. The four UK blood services all maintain sort of the standards for blood donation. So for blood donation testing and blood products. The Joint UK Blood Transfusion Services (UKBTS) and Joint Professional Advisory Committee JPAC are responsible for producing the guidelines for UK blood transfusion services, often where in amongst sort of transfusion practices are referred to as the Red Book. Retrospectively, data from 2011 had informed that the UK Blood Services had issued 2.1 million units of red blood cells, 300,000 platelet doses, 288,000 units of fresh frozen plasma or FFP, and 126,000 units of cryoprecipitate. That draws this audio podcast to a close. This audio podcast as part of a Globular Global series or edition. This audio podcast as part of a Lunar Insurgence. This audio podcast as part of a Sickle Cell Anaemia. This audio podcast as part of a Storm Robotics production.